guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ladesa. So for today's video, I wanted to do something a little different, and I wish I had done this type of video a lot sooner, because I realized when I was scrolling through my Instagram, and like I'm following so many beauty bloggers and Instagrammers that do a lot of makeup tutorials, and I would always try to recreate their looks. And I've been doing this now for like basically my whole life. That's basically how I learned how to do makeup, like from other beauty bloggers or like pictures, and I would try to recreate that look, trying to find the most similar color I can find in the makeup that I have, and then it's just kind of went on from there. And I was like, oh my god, well, let me do a video where I kind of do a shout out to this beauty blogger and recreate their look. So this isn't really much of a I'm recreating so-and-so's look challenge. This is kind of just me wanting to recreate all different types of beauty bloggers, like looks and everything like that that has inspired me. So I'm gonna get right to it, and I hope you guys enjoy. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment down below of maybe any ideas of any beauty bloggers you want me to recreate their look. And yeah, please subscribe. Thank you. So today I'm going to be recreating a look from my Instagram, and her name is Crystal, and her Instagram name is C_flower. This is her Instagram right here. And the look I'm going to be recreating is actually her most recent look, and it's this one right here, where it's a pretty brown base, and then it goes into a yellow. It has some glitter in the crease and on top of the liner, and a nice like bold type liner look. And I absolutely fell in love with this look when I saw it. Shout out to Crystal for creating this look, and I'm gonna do my best to recreate this look with the makeup products that I have. So I already went ahead earlier and did my brows and my face makeup, so all I'm gonna do is the eye makeup look. So in her description under her picture, Crystal says that she uses the shade Sienna in the Anastasia Beverly Hills shadow, individual shadow. But today I'm gonna go in with my Naked Heat palette, and I found a very similar color to that color, and I thought that the shade Cyan was a very similar color to the shade that she has on her crease. All right, so taking that shade Cyan. It's funny because they're both really, they have a similar name. Cayenne, Sienna. I don't know how to say it. Correct me. And I'm gonna just lightly dab that on first and blend it all out. Taking the color a little further past my eye, corner of my eye. I saw this look and I was like, I have to do this. I have to do this in a YouTube video. I got to. So thank you, Crystal, for getting me back on YouTube. I feel like I'm blending way too much here. There is no such thing as blending way too much. What are you talking about, Ladesa? Next, I will be doing the highlight under the brow, and then she adds a little highlight in the inner corner of her eyes. I'm gonna go back into my Naked Heat palette and take this shade right here, the lightest shade in the palette. Ounce. Yeah, ounce. Right, and taking that shade right under my brow bone, and I'm just gonna do swiping motions, light swiping motions. Taking that shade in the corner inner corner of my eye. All right, there you have it. You guys, did I just do this? Did I do this today? Did I just do that? Or has that been there? That's definitely my nail. When did I do that? Oh my god, it was my middle finger. Oh no, I did it when I was trying to hold the palette up. Alright, so next up, I'm gonna be doing this yellow shade right here on her lid. She uses the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette, and there's a yellow shade in the middle of that palette that is like really vibrant. And the only yellow shade that I found that I have is in my Morphe 35B palette, and it's this yellow shade in the corner right here. So we're gonna take that shade and use it on our lid. I hope this is vibrant enough. I mean, it seems really vibrant to me, but we'll see. Okay. 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 You just pack it on there. Just gotta pack it on there. I feel like I need some Fix Plus. Be right back. I'm gonna grab my Fix Plus. Alright, I'm gonna spray some Fix Plus on my brush here. That should be good. And dip it back into that color. Now let's see how vibrant it is. Oh yeah, way better. It's going on way better. It's a lot of packing in with this color. When she was using the Huda Beauty palette, she didn't really have to pack it this much. So I'm guessing the Huda Beauty palette one is just a little more vibrant than this one, but I'm getting there. I need more yellow, more brightness. I think we got there, guys. I think we got there. I'm pretty sure this is vibrant enough. Bam. How my eyes. Crystal goes in with this brown shade on her under lash line. We're gonna go back in with my Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to be taking, oh no. I'm going to be taking the shade that I accidentally destroyed. The shade right here, Ember, and I'm gonna use that for my under lash line. I'm gonna try to pack it down with my brush. It's helping a little bit, but still ruined. Right, now taking that under. Oh yes, I love this shade. And then I'm gonna be taking a little bit of this shade right here, Low Blow. And just putting a little bit of that in right under there. So it kind of just smokes it out a little bit. You know? You feel me? Okay. Next up, I'm going to try to attempt this perfect winged liner that she did on her beautiful eyes. So for the liner, I'm going to be using my Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. And I'm going to attempt to try to do this perfect winged liner that she has. Let's do this thing. I can do this, I can do this. Every time I do eyeliner, I have to hold my breath. I don't know why, I just have to, okay? Don't touch. The struggle is real, guys. Don't mess up, don't mess up. Oh my god, oh my god, did I mess up? Okay. Almost, I almost messed up. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This is very difficult. Okay. Then she kind of just... Okay. I did it. I did it. Wait, I gotta do the other eye now. I gotta do the other eye now. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh, what is that? What is that? What is that? Oh my god, let's see if I can fix it. I did it! Oh, whoo, whoo, whoo. Oh my gosh, I did it! I did it. Now I'm gonna be doing a glitter liner on her crease and then on top of her eyeliner. In this picture, she uses the Midnight Cowboy liner by Urban Decay, but I don't have that, and I have instead the Urban Decay Razor Sharp liner. And it's pretty similar. It's not as glittery, but it's silver and shimmery, and it will pass. It will do. It'll do. It'll do. It's got to do. She does it kind of like halfway. She does it on her crease. She does the liner from here to right there, so she doesn't fully do that lid. Oh, I don't want to mess up. Oh my god, I feel like I'm about to mess up. Oh my god, guys, help! I'm shaking. Literally, I'm shaking. Oh my god, it's too thick. It's too thick. She doesn't list what lashes she uses for this look, but they look like fluffy lashes, and I'll be using my Fox Mink Ardell lash book. The lashes on her doesn't look so long, but they're thick and fluffy, so I'm gonna go with these lashes right here in number 815. I just measure, make sure it fits. Oh, so cute! I didn't even use lash glue. I just measured and it looks like I instantly put on some fake lashes. Okay, perfect. That's why I love Ardell lashes. Like, they just always seem to go on really easy. Bam! Oh my gosh. It looks so natural. Can't even see the strip. I love it. Wow, that was so easy to apply. That was so easy. Here's Crystal's, and here is my recreation of her look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm definitely going to do more of these videos. Until next time.